there is yet another tool for controlling sugar cravings and the neural circuits that regulate sugar craving and its downstream consequences. And this tool is what I would call a high-performance tool, but it's one that you probably didn't suspect, and that's sleep. I've done extensive episodes about sleep. We actually have an episode called Master Your Sleep. You can find that episode easily at hubermanlab.com. It's available in all the various formats, YouTube, Apple, Spotify, etc. And provides a lot of tools, and on social media I provide a lot of tools. What is the role of sleep in sugar metabolism, sugar hunger, and the way that the brain regulates those things? Well, there's a really exciting study that came out just last year. This study was published in the journal Cell Report, Cell Press Journal, excellent journal. The reason I love this study so much is it involved having people, so yes, this was done in humans, sleep in the laboratory. That's not unusual. There's a sleep lab at Stanford. There's sleep labs elsewhere. What they did was they actually measured from the breath of these people, and they extracted from their breath the metabolites that would allow them to understand what sorts of metabolism was occurring in these people's bodies at different phases of sleep. They actually did this every 10 seconds throughout the entire night. What they discovered was that each stage of sleep was associated with a very particular signature pattern of metabolism. And particular phases of sleep are associated with sugar metabolism, or more with fat metabolism, or more with other aspects of metabolism. And the reason why I think this study is important to discuss in the context of today's discussion about sugar in the brain is that many people have experienced the effects of disrupted sleep on their appetite. And in particular, it's been reported that when people are sleep deprived or the quality of their sleep is disrupted, their appetite for sugary foods increases. Now, we don't want to leap too far from this study to sugar metabolism and the neural circuits controlling sugar metabolism. But I will say this. There is now a plethora of data pointing to the fact that getting quality sleep each night helps regulate not only appetite, but also the specific forms of metabolism that drive specific appetites. So we can't overstate the importance of getting regular, sufficient amount of high-quality sleep, at least 80% of the time, not just for sake of immune system function, for clear thinking, etc., but also for properly regulating our metabolism, including our sugar metabolism.